Hello everyone. Welcome to Rai Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn subject EVS Part 2, Standard 4th, Lesson number 7, Swaraj First Conquest, video number 14. So students, first I would like to tell you what is the meaning of conquest. It means victory or success. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn how Shivaji Maharaj planned his action to establish Swaraj. Students, as you know that Shivaji and his friends took the oath of Swaraj in the Raireshwar temple. But it was a very difficult task. At that time, Maharashtra was governed, means ruled by four different powers: the Mughal Emperor of Delhi, Sultan Adil Shah of Bijapur, the Portuguese of Goa, and the Siddhis of Janjira. Now these rulers were very strong and powerful. They were firm in their authority, means they were demanded on their rights. No one would dare utter a words against them. Now students, utter means to say something. No one would dare to speak something against them. There was no comparison between the vast force of the enemies and a handful of Shivaji's Maulas. Means the enemy's force was very big and Shivaji's Maulas very few. But Shivaji's mind was made up and his firm resolve was his greatest source of strength. Means Shivaji's mind was fixed that I want to establish Swaraj. Next point is Torna Fort. Students, you can see the picture of Torna Fort on the slide. Shivaji controlled the Jagir of Pune, Supe, Chakan and Indapur. All the forts in the Jagir were, however, in the charge of officers from the court of Bijapur. He who controlled the forts and also controlled the surrounding territory. Means it was said that the person who controlled the forts and also controlled the surrounding territory. Students, what do you mean by territory? It means an area of land that belongs to one country. So students, as you all know, the forts were very important during Shivaji's time. Why was having control over the fort so necessary? Because forts were way upon the hills, so it was easy to keep an eye on the surrounding area. If the enemy attacked, so it was easy to protect peoples who were in the forts. Now, forts would be stocked with grains, ammunition and soldiers. So having control over the forts and managing them was very important for Swaraj. Therefore, Swaraj without the control of the forts was meaningless. A hill fort gave strategic support to the ruler and Shivaji decided to capture one at a suitable time. Students, strategic means important. So, he had selected the fort of Torna. It's situated to the southwest of Pune in the Kanad Valley. It was a renowned fort. Renowned means famous fort. So, it was a famous fort well suited for defense. Now, there were two strong marches on the way to the fort. Now, students, what is the meaning of machi? It means a fortification of a natural platform on the slope of a hill. Now, fortification which means walls or towers built to protect a place against attack. And plateau means a large high area of flat land. One of these machi was the Zunjar machi and other Budla machi. Now here you can see the picture of Zunjar machi. Zunjar machi, like its name, it was powerful defense against the enemies. The only access to the fort was across the Zunjar Machi. It was a very difficult passage with a high hill on one side and deep valleys on the other side. A careless person may easily lose his balance and fall in the deep valley. Torna was considered one of the strong forts of Maharashtra. In the fort, there is a temple of goddess Toranzai. That is why the fort is called Torna. But this powerful fort was neglected by Adil Shah. There were neither Ignat troops for its defense nor Ignat ammunition. Students, troops which means soldiers and ammunition means the supply of bullets, etc. that you need to fire from weapons. So Shivaji knew this, and this was exactly what he wanted. He decided to capture the fort and lay the foundation of Hindavi Swaraj. Now, the next point is the drums of Swaraj begin to sound. With a few selected bands of Mauras, Shivaji descended into the Kanad valley. Students descended, which means to go down to a lower place. All the Mauras were swift footed like the deer. Swift footed means quickly, and lion hearted in courageous. They raced to the top and capture the strategic position in the fort. And they capture the important position in the fort. Tanaji Malusare hoisted the Maratha flag at the main entrance. Hoisted means to lift or pull something up. Yesaji Kank, a trustworthy and loyal champion of Shivaji, posted his guards at important points. Students, trustworthy means honest and loyal means faithful. So, Yesaji Kank was a trustworthy and loyal champion of Shivaji. So, the fort was captured almost without any resistance, and the sky was filled with shouts of Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. Now, the first battle drums and pipes of Hindavi Swaraj had sounded and their echo started repeated throughout the valley. Shivaji named this fort as Prachandgarh. Do understand the concept and revise at home. Thank you.